We're back. Medyo nistorbo tayo dahil may awarding ceremony natin. Unahin natin si Sir Jirby. Sir Jirby, ang MKKPI is actually one of the sabihin natin multi-awarded na karate to clubs in the country. Even yung ilang mga members natin are competing in different competitions. Example, yung mga international competitions. Like yung World Police and Para Games. Meron din tayo mga galing sa MKKPI na naglaro dito. So, siguro, kung pakikwento niyo sa amin yung background nitong MKKPI.
MKKPI was founded on Nueva Ecija by 1972 by my father, Gregorio Lacorte. And by the year 2011, yung ma-assign ako dito sa Manila, then the MKKPI Taguig, I founded the MKKPI Taguig here in the Manila. And from that, marami kaming mga na-produce na mga player. And we compete locally, national, and internationally.
And marami kayong mga significant na mga wins sa iba't ibang mga competitions, lalo na sa international circuit. Recently nga, marami tayong mga players na naglaro nga overseas. Pakikwento niya sa amin yung mga recent triumphs natin ng ating mga karatekas under your club po.
Last Cup, may naglaro sa amin isa because of the opportunity given to us by our president, Shehan Richard Lim. And sa may national team din kami member, may isa kaming member ng national team. And I think last month nag-compete siya sa Europe. Yun ang update sa. Then this coming next week, lalaro kami sa World Police and Fire Games.
Ay, nga pala, ating coverage natin ng World Police and Fire Games. Sino yung mga papadala natin from your group?
Sa group namin is me, Sensei Jirby, and Sensei Raquel Lacorte.
Everybody, because right now, as you notice, or as you already know, the team, the national training pool, and some selected athletes just came back last week from Brunei, from the Southeast Asian Karate Championships. This national training pool behind me will be leaving tomorrow for a training camp in China. Everybody came from, all of these athletes came from tournaments like this, so now you have a direction already, now you have a vision. Meron na kayong direction kung saan papunta yung mga pinaghihirapan nyo. So, tuloy-tuloy nyo lang, and hopefully one of these or these coming years, tayo na yung makita sa natin. Good luck to everybody and congratulations to all the winners. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Announcement, everyone. There's a message and update from Richard Lee of Karate Pilipinas.
I forgot to mention lang kanina, I have good news lang for the Batang Pinoy. Yung Batang Pinoy, this year we will be having 10 and 11 years old also. So, handa natin yung mga parents natin, mga 10 years old, 11 years old, kasali kayo sa Batang Pinoy. So, we will try again next year to include 8 and 9. Pero quiet lang kayo, karami na ang pinagbigyan na magkaroon ng 10 and 11. Also, I forgot to mention pala, we have to prepare everybody because next year we are hosting the WKF Karate World Youth Day in Manila, May 14 to 17 at the SM Polo Asia Arena. So we will be having 3 courts and about 3,000 competitors from 100 countries. So please prepare for that. Pagandaan niyo mabuti. Thank you very much.